Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the iBUYPOWER TraceMesh 7 gaming desktop PC. Click the link below for the best price. This high-performance gaming desktop is built for serious gamers, content creators, and power users who need a fast and reliable machine. At the heart of this system is the 14th General Intel Core i7-14700F processor, featuring 20 cores and 28 threads, delivering exceptional multi-core performance for gaming, streaming, video editing, and multitasking. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles, handling high-resolution content creation, or running demanding software, this processor ensures smooth and responsive performance. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, this gaming desktop delivers outstanding graphics power. With DLSS 3, real-time ray tracing, and AI-enhanced rendering, you'll experience incredibly realistic visuals, smooth frame rates, and high-quality textures. Whether you're playing at 1080p, 1440p, or even pushing into 4K, the RTX 4060 provides excellent performance while staying power-efficient. The advanced ray tracing cores and tensor cores allow for immersive lighting, shadows, and reflections, making your favorite games look more lifelike than ever. To ensure lightning-fast performance, the 32GB DDR5 RAM provides ultra-fast data transfer speeds, allowing for seamless multitasking and future-proofing your gaming setup. Whether you're running multiple applications, streaming while gaming, or handling large projects, this system keeps everything running smoothly without slowdowns. Storage is no issue with the 2TB SSD, offering blazing fast load times and massive capacity for your game library, media files, and software. Say goodbye to long boot times and experience near-instant responsiveness when launching games or applications. The TraceMesh 7's sleek and modern design features a mesh front panel for superior airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool even during long gaming sessions. With a high airflow chassis, RGB lighting, and a stylish tempered glass side panel, this gaming PC looks as great as it performs. The included gaming keyboard and mouse provide a solid starting setup, so you can get up and running right out of the box. Windows 11 Home is pre-installed, offering the latest gaming optimizations, direct storage support, and an enhanced user interface. Whether you're gaming, working, or browsing, Windows 11 provides a seamless and intuitive experience. For connectivity, the TraceMesh 7 includes multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Wi-Fi capabilities, ensuring easy setup for gaming monitors, peripherals, and streaming devices. Whether you're connecting multiple displays or using VR, this PC is ready for anything. If you're looking for a powerful, future-proof gaming desktop with high-speed storage, fast DDR5 RAM, and a strong GPU-CPU combination, the iBUYPOWER TraceMesh 7 is an excellent choice. Click the link below for the best price.